Hello, good morning crafters and welcome to your hobby market channel. And today we are going to unbox or open our Arcon mounts phone stand or the kitchen desk table stand for crafting or cooking, baking and many others. So we are going to open it with the help of the scissor. Okay, what's in your box is of course your instruction. We have here the adjustment knob or for the extension of your phone stand. We have the arm, telescoping arm, and of course your this heavy the feet of your stand, or the, how would you call this one, the weight base is heavy, and of course your wrench to secure or tighten your telescoping stand. So this is what you're gonna get in your phone stand kit: the weight base, the wrench to secure your telescoping arm, the instruction, and some extension joints for the phone stand. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.